Hi everyone, this is attorney Ayhan Ogmen, and today I'm in front of you to share one of the latest news we have this week. And this week we start to hear actually ICE starting to arresting undocumented immigrants at immigration courts across the US. And we heard that some incidents started happening in San Diego immigration courts and as well as Dallas immigration courts and a couple more immigration courts. So what we here actually started to learn this week was that the immigration agents, basically ICE agents, actually appearing at the immigration court and starting to arrest some undocumented aliens or immigrants after their hearings. And what we hear that what's going on is immigration officials, basically ICE, trying to arrest these people and put them into expedited removal process. But remember, if the person is already in the removal process in immigration court, the ICE cannot just take them and put them in the expedited removal. There has to be a reason for that. And what we are seeing this week, that the government side basically appearing or following with the immigration court and showing that they do not want to pursue the removal case against the individuals and would like the immigration court to dismiss the proceedings against them. And once the immigration courts actually dismisses this individual's proceedings, so they have the immigration court no longer has a jurisdiction over those cases. And at that point, actually, immigration, basically ICE, detains these individuals and takes them under their custody and saying that they do have a jurisdiction now, and they will be putting them into expedited removal, where actually they'll be having the credible fear interview to show that whether they have a valid credible fear or not. And if they have a valid credible fear where they can prove it, then they'll be able to continue staying in the US. Otherwise, they'll be removed expeditedly to their home country. So this is really an unusual move. We have not seen before that the Immigration Custom Enforcement Unit of the DHS or immigration moves this way. But right now, based on the latest news we have from the White House, where they were making some statements about that, it will be very difficult to remove or deport millions of undocumented in the US. So some people, will be removed without actually seeing the immigration court or seeing the judges. And based on this new developments, we see that ICE actually released a statement this week stating that if the people are here illegally and undocumented, they need to be in the expedited removal process. They are following the law, and that's what they want to making sure that these people are removed as quickly as possible. But they will have the credible fear interview opportunity where they can prove their case. If they do have a valid claim, they will stay here. If not, they'll be removed to their home country or another country. Based on this statement, we see that ICE actually targeting immigration court hearings where actually undocumented aliens, undocumented immigrants attend their immigration court hearings. But what I could tell you this is most likely going to create a fear among the immigrants and for them not to appear at their scheduled hearings at the immigration courts, where they will, if they do not appear, they will actually get a removal order. Because of this, I would like to state to our followers or clients and their friends and family, if anyone they know actually in immigration proceedings at the immigration courts, please make sure that they actually appear at their immigration court hearings. Regardless of what's going on right now with the ICE and with the current incidents we are having this week, we definitely recommend them to appear at their immigration court hearings, not to miss their immigration court hearings. But what I could say that based on this move of the immigration, basically ICE, we are most likely will be seeing some court cases actually being filed against these actions not being lawful. Based on that, we're going to see what's going to happen. But if there are any developments about this, we will share with our followers. But I would like to state one more time that this week we have been seeing ICE agents actually targeting immigrants who does not have documents, undocumented immigrants at various immigration courts and detaining them, and especially using a strategy having court to dismiss the matter, actually dismiss their removal cases, so that way they can take them under their custody. And secondly, I would like to state that please make sure that if you or anyone you know has immigration court hearings, make sure that they do appear at the immigration court hearings. They do not miss their immigration hearings. That's very important. I would like to state that also. I hope this is helpful to our followers and our clients, and I hope to see you guys again with the new developments. Have a great day. Attorney Ayhan Ogmen.